Good evening, I'm weather forecaster Lance Huffman here for this Thursday night forecast. Our temperature change right now, really the biggest story of the day. We're warmer today than what we were at this point yesterday, and frankly, we've been the warmest today than what we've been all week. I definitely remember how cold we were on Halloween, and definitely am happy to say that I like these warmer temperatures a lot more. We are 8 degrees warmer in Muncie than what we were at this point yesterday. Really across the entirety of Indiana, pretty much a decent amount warmer than what we were at this point yesterday. Our temperatures across central Indiana in the upper 40s to even some 50s in some areas, with 50 degrees in Muncie, 48 degrees in Indianapolis and in Kokomo, 44 degrees in Fort Wayne, just up north in I-69. It's a 6-degree temperature change, so it's pretty chilly up there. Our radar right now is showing us to be quite dry. We have seen a few clouds throughout the day, but otherwise we've not seen any rain throughout the day. Now this is all thanks to a high pressure off to our east. What this high pressure is doing, it's keeping us dry. And what it will also be doing over the next few days is it will be feeding in mild air. And this mild air will be giving us more warmer temperatures, keeping us dry through the weekend before we start to see some rain chances when we enter next week. Our current winds right now at south-southwest at about 7 miles per hour in Muncie, south about 10 miles per hour in Indianapolis. So varying winds throughout the entirety of Indiana. And we do expect these to continue to vary throughout the night. We also want to mix in some breezy conditions as well, with some gusts up to 20 miles per hour, but otherwise a mostly clear and nice night is ahead. Pretty chilly though, with a low of 36 degrees. Now when we get into throughout the night, again, we only see a few clouds when we go throughout the night, and when we start Friday morning, sunny skies to start the day. We do start to see some cloud cover enter the area when we get through Friday afternoon, but otherwise we will be staying dry, and our rain chances are actually going to be away until we get Saturday morning, and even then our chances are slim at that point. Our temperatures throughout tomorrow at around 8 a.m. 36 degrees, and lunchtime temperatures around 50 degrees, and our high temperature 58 degrees. Now, notice how we see these pretty breezy conditions throughout the entirety of the day. We'll still expect to see some pretty breezy conditions and some gusty conditions as well, so do be aware of that. Here's our weekend forecast. 59 degrees for Saturday with some southwest winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour. There is that slight morning rain chance that I mentioned earlier, but otherwise most of us will be staying dry, and those chances will be out of the area by the time we get to sunrise. Our temperature for Sunday, as we get back into the 60s, so that's nice, another mild day, is in store with some more partly cloudy skies and some winds out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, while we will be dry for now, we are expecting a bit more precipitation as we get through next week. Take a look at the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. We are trending to slightly above average for the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. Now, looking at our 7-day forecast, again, the weekend pretty nice and mild, upper 50s, lower 60s. When we get to Monday, 67 degrees, our warmest day on the 7-day forecast. We start to see those rain chances enter then with 67 Monday, 61 Tuesday. Wednesday, more rain chances with 59, and a slight rain chance when we get towards Thursday, but we start to cool down at that point with 53 degrees. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter at NLA Weather, and have a great night.